So I feel like they were a little bit stingy when it came to the cleanser size. Like this is really pretty small. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you. It is day 4 of July 2018 box week. Really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, box week is the best week every month. We have a brand new video for 7 days straight. It's a lot of fun. We open up all my subscription boxes, and today we're going to be opening up a box that I've really been considering canceling recently, but like last month it was pretty decent, so it's one of those where it's like I'm on the fence every month, but like one of these days I'm probably just going to actually cancel it. If you don't know what I'm talking about the Sephora Play box. Sephora Play is a $10 monthly subscription that you can get from Sephora Beauty. And it came out, probably it's been almost 2 years now. I've got my man Mr. John Wayne here to cut open the seal. I also want to let you know that we are going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway. This is the 4th one that we're doing. Basically what this is that we create a box of goodies during box week on my YouTube channel. I'm setting this off to the side here so it could annoy you just being in the camera shot all night. Basically what it is I get so many subscription boxes that I keep some items and I like to give some away. It's my way of giving back to my YouTube family, and it's really awesome. It's a lot of fun. This is the 4th one we're doing. When this box gets full or full enough, basically I'll post a video that says, hey, time to enter the giveaway, and then we'll pick somebody at random to win. It's really simple, awesome, and easy. You just have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel to be entered in for that when the time does come. So I'm going to get into the Sephora Play box. The thing with this box, the reason why it's always so iffy, it's not that they don't like give good samples all the time or whatever, it's that a lot of times the samples that they give out are what I call gifts with purchase. Basically it's like a lot of items that you feel like you could end up getting if you were just in the store making a purchase, like with being like a Rouge member or something like that. Do you know what I mean? It's not ever like something where you're like, oh my gosh, I never would have gotten this item, you know what I mean, unless I had this box. Alright, the one thing that I do love about the Sephora Play box is probably one of the reasons I do keep it. Every month you get one of these, which gives you 50 Beauty Insider reward points to earn, like, you know how Sephora gives you like rewards for so much money you spend in dollars and all that? Every single month if you go in and make a purchase at Sephora with one of these cards, you get 50 bonus points. So that does actually add up, and I have gotten like really cool like item before from them from like stockpiling those. So that is one super benefit to it. Alright, this month the bag, it's actually pretty basic. It just says Play by Sephora. Sometimes they'll have like, you know, a little design or decal or something, but this one is just pretty much just the standard Play by Sephora. Okay. Alright, the first item that we have inside of here is Boscia Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. Alright, this is a mask from Boscia. I'm gonna actually keep this and try it. I haven't really done a lot of skincare products from this brand simply because I've always heard mixed reviews. I hear some people are like, oh, it's so good for skincare, and other ones are like, they're the worst ever for skincare. So I'm gonna try this for myself and kind of form my own opinion of their brand, etc. Alright, the next item that we have is Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. Ooh, this is a Briogeo Volumizing Spray. I don't know if you can see it, if it's in focus yet. I absolutely love this hair brand. This is one that I kind of got to know over having subscription boxes over the last like year and a half, 2 years. I love them. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box because as you can see I don't really need any help with volume, and I do want someone to get to try this brand because this is actually a brand that I absolutely love and think is awesome. So that's going to go into the giveaway box. Alright, the next item that we have is Tarte Parte Blush. I actually pretty sure I have this exact blush. I'm not going to open it just because I don't want to show off the, like, I don't want to like damage anyway, but this is like a really good, if not completely full size, like deluxe size sample of Tarte blush. This is going to go in the giveaway box as well because I'm almost positive I have this blush color already, and I do love it because it's a really nice like pinky purple nude tone. It's really bizarre kind of to explain it, but I love wearing it. It's one of those you can kind of put with any makeup look if you're like, ooh, I don't know what to wear with my makeup today. Party. Alright, the next item that we have is, ooh, it's a Tarte lipstick in Salt Life. Alright, I'm going to open this and see what color we got here. Ooh, it's like a weird like nude mauve-y tone. I love lipsticks like these colors. I live for them. It's actually a lot more purple than I thought it would be. I definitely like it. I'm gonna definitely try that out and see how I like that. All right, the next item that we have in here is Okay, this obviously is a Tarte themed box. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. This is a Tarte cleanser. I'm gonna be real with you. I feel like this is like a really, really small like cleanser size sample to try out. I understand that like this is a box where they give you samples to try things, but something that I've noticed with a lot of boxes is like cleansers usually get a decent size because cleansers are not really like the expensive push for a brand. Usually it's like the moisturizers or serums or toners or things of that nature. So I feel like they were a little bit stingy when it came to the cleanser size. Like this is really pretty small. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box simply because of the fact that I have lots and lots of face cleansers, but I mean I'm a little disappointed. I wish they would have given a little bit bigger sample. Personally, that's just me. Alright, next item that we have is Protini Polypeptide Cream from Drunk Elephant. Ooh, I'm definitely going to try this out. Drunk Elephant is one of those brands that I always feel like is super cool. Like I always am kind of like, whenever it gets something from them, I'm always interested to try it. It's weird though, I've never actually like pulled the trigger and bought anything from them because I feel like they are a little bit pricey, but I do always like trying them. I feel like one of these days I'm gonna get a product from them that I really, really like, to the point where I'm like, okay, I just have to have this. All right, this kind of is a weird like baby powdery smell. I don't know, it's kind of a weird scent to it. I don't know. So that's everything we got inside of our box today. Like I said, obviously it seemed like it was a Tarte theme. I had like a Tarte blush, a Tarte lipstick, and like a Tarte cleanser. To recap, we had the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Volumizing Spray, which I'm really excited about this. This is going into our giveaway box as I drop it. My bad, hold on. Sorry. We also have the Tarte lipstick in Salt Life, which I tried right there in the back of my hand. We have the Tarte blush in Partey, which I'm pretty sure I have this somewhere in my stash of tons of makeup. The Boscia Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask, which I'm going to try out. We got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Cleansing Gel, which is also going into the giveaway box. And we got the Protini Polypeptide Cream from Drunk Elephant, which I rubbed on my hand. I will say my hand definitely feels moisturized where I rubbed it in. My concern though is it does feel a little bit heavy, almost like it might feel a little bit like greasy over time. So it's kind of one that I maybe wouldn't want to use unless it's like winter where my skin's really, really dried out and dehydrated. Okay, so I'm grabbing our giveaway box, putting our items in there. It's weird, I said this like last night, like I feel like our giveaway box, like we have some really solid items in there, but all the items this month are like kind of smaller, like smaller shapes, so it's not like actually getting filled up, but it is like really quality items so far. Like we have full-size mascara, like brow item, you know, that blush we just put in there where I think is almost full size. So I don't know, but that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Take its time. I don't know. So this is what the bag looks like. I'm in love. It's a holographic, like blue metallic finish. It's amazing. I'm into it. Alright, the first item we have in here is Pure Heart.